What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a hardware update, guys. Today we will be going over the BCU1525 that we have had for quite some time. We have been solo mining Caspa with it off and on while we've been testing out different configurations of the loop, changing out CPU water block for an actual water cool block because it was actually impeding flow for the BCU. So we've actually done a few things to it, and we've just been kind of testing it off and on while we've been doing that. But as most of you may know, Caspa has gone up in price here recently. So I don't know if most of you have kind of noticed this, but Caspa has reached an all-time high for itself, which is flipping awesome if you've been mining Caspa and for quite some time. You actually could be in a better position right now. Not financial advice, but yeah, it's actually really cool. Well, I've been trying to get this up and loaded. Boom. So as you can see right here, here is the Caspa chart. Now, of course, we are on a little bit of a down because all of the market has taken a little tiny down, as you can see right here. So granted, everything always reacts the same pretty much in the markets, so it's having itself a little downturn, but it reached a high of 0.014 cents, which is an all-time high. So upon it doing this, upon that happening, it looks like we actually have kind of been muscled out, at least with the BCU. The E300 has been getting less blocks per day as well. But the BCU has not had a block since the 28th. The 25th, we hit 3 blocks on the 25th, 2 on the 24th, 27th we got 1, and the 28th was the last time we got a block from solo mining. And today is the 3rd. It's like you're seeing this today and it's getting posted today. Like, this is like fresh. So that's because I've been having internet issues here at the house and haven't tried to figure that out and talk with internet company, seeing if it was been on my end or on their end, and it's kind of been on their end, but it affected my router and I had to get a new one and update it, and it was a process. So upon doing that, luckily I have more than one access point for internet, so I was able to still keep all my rigs up and running. But trying to get all that, I actually was not able to get done some of the content that I needed to do over the past couple of days. So here we are live doing this morning, and it's not so great, to be honest. I will most likely pull my BCU over to my regular mining for non-solo mining for PPLNS. I do have 365 mega hashes mining on PPLNS, which is where my balance comes from right here. So I am still accruing, but it's not because of the BCU. It's because I'm solo mining and pool mining. But looks like the BCU is just gonna have to go back to pool mining for now. Slowly being muscled out. It's kind of a bummer. We had a good run for it, that's for sure. So make sure you all are paying attention to that. Let's go check the calculator real quick and see if the calculator is actually up to date yet. Alright, so here we are on hashrate.no for the solo mining calculator for Caspa. So we get 4,000, basically 4,030 for 250 watts, 10%. Alright, so it still says on average we would hit 1 block a day. At the current, we have 71% chance of hitting a block a day, and it's been a few days, so I think our luck is just either A, not on our side, because it's been what, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. It's been 4 days since we hit a block, almost 5. So take that in consideration, guys. The difficulty has gone up quite a bit in the past couple of days. Since February 23rd, it was at 81k, and we are now at 109, 108k on the network difficulty. So the network difficulty is up. The hash rate is up, of course, because that correlates with the difficulty going up. So we are well over 100 terahashes higher on the algorithm than what we were 5 days ago. So that does explain why the solo mining rewards have gone down, because there's more competition on the network, and 4 to 5 gigahashes just isn't gonna cut it anymore, is what it looks like. Just for quick calculations, we're gonna go ahead and put in 253,535 for the E300, and it still says we would get 3 blocks a day at 250%. 255 divided by 3, so 85% chance of finding a block per block. So not too much further off than what the BCU is, but the E300 does do more hash rate than what a BCU does, so 3 times the hash rate, almost 4. Well, 3 and some change. So yeah, kind of explains why we're not getting as much rewards anymore, and probably would be a safe bet to just push the BCU back over into pool mining to kind of help out, because we are not getting any blocks anymore, and we're just burning electricity right now. Granted, it's only 250 watts. Still, that's 250 watts. Now, one thing I would like to touch on is this. So, I've been noticing this on my Wooly Pulley account. Actually, on that exact account, it wasn't up there this time for whatever reason, but I get this a lot now. It says your account is on recalculation. Please don't disconnect. And I get that. Sometimes it's in red. Sometimes it's green. And I'm not sure what it is. I was looking it up and talking about it in Discord, and I was pointed to an article that kind of mentions the way they do their pool fees. And it's kind of an interesting way that they go about the pool fees. So from what I'm understanding, they actually reward you for having a really good uptime and never shutting off. So according to reading what I was talking about, it looks like maybe 25% more per, like, you earn 25% more now because I'm in good standings. I'm not sure about that 100%, but from what I was reading, it does look to be right. So if anybody is at Wooly Pulley, or if anybody here has ever seen this before, please comment section below. I would love to know why it says that, because it doesn't seem to affect any of my hash rate, any of my earnings, nothing. So I'd be kind of curious to know what it is. But that's it for me today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this quick what my BCU's been up to. Is it solo mining? Is it pool mining? Who knows? Now you know. So I hope you all have a fantastic day. Please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, that bell notification. So you know time we go live here, guys. We would greatly appreciate that so very much. We will see you all on the next video. Stay savage. Keep on mining. Peace out.